Drawing lines in DIBAC is so easy. I just have to click on the line tool, choose a color, and decide if I want to activate the orthogonality or not. Now I can start drawing freely as usual. Of course, I can deactivate the orthogonality anytime and keep drawing. I can use the references in the project enabled in the approximation tool. Or I can indicate a direction and type a distance value. As you can see, these methods to draw lines work the same way as the wall tool. If you want to start drawing a new sequence of lines, make a double click to restart the function. It is important to know that drawing walls with the line tool will not allow you to insert joineries or calculate the areas or dimensions. For this, you would need to use the wall tool. Also make sure that you don't use the line tool to complete walls or partitions created with the wall tool. DIBAC will not identify those lines as proper walls and can create certain issues with the geometry.